Since 1998, we've had a mission at Aspen Dental to make dental care available to more people who need it. How do we do it? By making dental care more convenient, by making it a more natural and accessible part of people's lives, no matter how busy they may be, and by making it more affordable and easy to find. We've opened over 1,100 offices and counting, so we can treat more people in more neighborhoods, 35,000 a day, each one special, each one unique. We strive every day to move dentistry forward by being obsessed with innovation, being curious, and bold enough to try things that haven't been done in the dental industry before. We invest more in our people, helping them enjoy rewarding careers, have fun, and live fulfilling lives, providing world-class training in our own learning center so they can stay ahead of the curve and making them pioneers in digital dentistry. We treat our patients with compassion and respect, making them feel safe, cared for, and listened to, whatever their dental needs are. We make a difference by giving back to people in need. We're building the future, building the next generation of dentists to carry out our mission. And finally, at Aspen Dental, we recognize that our job is far from done, that there are still people who need care. And it's our job to remove the obstacles keeping them from enjoying happy, healthy lives. Aspen Dental. Smile. We're in your corner.